how to verify your Taobao account. So the easiest way of verifying your account is just opening up the Taobao app, clicking on this button here in the bottom right, and then the gear icon in the top right this time, and we will just switch accounts. So click on this yellow text. Now you want to click on the plus sign if you don't, or if you're already signed in, and then using Alipay. So Alipay is going to be a separate app which is connected to Taobao, but if you just create an Alipay account and just click on the orange button, it's going to take us to Alipay. Here, if you have created an Alipay account, which is very easy, you just put your phone number, then this is going to automatically create a verified account for you. If you want to go through these steps to verify your previous Taobao account and not create a new one, then you will have to get in touch with Taobao through their mobile phone number, and then they will guide you through the process, but it's gonna ask for your passport, and you will need to verify your account that way. What you can do is click on the headset icon here, and you will find their phone number right here. If you click on the person, or you can just connect to chat like so, and here you will ask for their phone number. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.